Hello everybody. Today I'm looking at Ames Maximum Stretch Elastometric Roof Coating and Sealant. Some of those words are hard to say. I've got an aluminum like add-on patio, and I've noticed a couple of places where water is starting to seep through the seams. And so I wanted to try this product and see how well it worked, to do a little waterproofing. And of course, I really won't know for probably a few years really how it holds up, but I am happy with the way it went on and how easy it was to apply. This is the way it came from Amazon, and I'm pretty happy about the way it was shipped. I mean, that's really, I think, pretty nice engineering to get that gallon of liquid to me. And I can see they put a lot of safety precautions in there to keep it from becoming a big mess in shipping. So anyway, that's the product. Ames Maximum Stretch Elastro. That seemed like a made-up word to me, elastometric roof sealant. But anyway, let's just get this open. I wanted to show you what it looked like before I took it out on the roof. And I saw these another little safety feature. They got the clips on the lid so it doesn't come open during shipping. So, and it came through Amazon with no issue for me anyway. So one little small dent there in the top of the lid. Now, no comments about using a screwdriver to open a paint can. That's their secondary function in life is opening paint cans. Yeah, I am trying to be careful with it. So it's a white color, which is great in the South, particularly to reflect the heat. And it's got a consistency sort of like honey or a very thick paint. It is a product that you can either spray on or paint on. And I'm going to use that little disposable hand roller to roll the seams. And that'll be coming up here shortly. I thought, well, I'll just dip that in there and see if I can show you the consistency. But you see, it's not even really dripping. It's like a honey or something like that, which is perfect for what I'm looking for. I want a nice thick coating that will seep or flow into any potential cracks and seal the seams up on the aluminum roof on the patio. Okay, so here we go. By the way, man, get those pads. That's great. Knee pads. So you can see it's kind of it's a thick little pasty stuff. And I'm just taking that roller and liberally rolling that seam. And you can see it's been previously sealed with a tar and some aluminum tape, which has been a good seam or seal for decades. But I just wanted to look for or head off any more potential little seeps or leaks. So I'm just working that seam, and I'm just working that paint plastic right into the seam. And now if you look at that, you can see how it flowed down between the aluminum sheeting, and that's what I'm looking for, in a nice wide barrier path, so that just head off any potential leaks. And, I didn't remove the existing material because it was mostly holding. Be sure to hydrate yourself if you're going to be out on your roof. And that's what I was trying to take care of. And around that chimney, man, that's a really difficult place to seal, but I like this flowable paint. So anyway, take care, everybody, and be sure to like and subscribe.